Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On the last trading session of the week, we saw some gains for the Indian rupee against the US dollar, and overall week on week it ended with slight gains, though which were very minuscule. Overall, the sentiment globally remains to be risk off. This is mainly because of the following factors. First of all, on the European front, we have had a weaker macroeconomic data. Then again, the Federal Reserve shifted its stance from increasing QE to the actually looking up to reducing the QE and control their inflation rather than looking up to more aggressive growth. Due to this, people are speculating that the Federal Reserve could end their QE even before the growth stabilizes or the labor market improves. Again, on the Chinese front, we had the PBOC actually shift their stance to liquidity tightening measures. But yes, this also had a positive impact in the front that we had the Brent crude oil prices going down in value, and this reduction is expected to provide some support for the Indian rupee at lower levels. The current crucial factor for the markets at this time remains the union budget. If we have a reformist budget given by our finance minister, then we could well see the Indian rupee rally up till 53 levels. At current levels, we would advise short with a stop loss of 54.40 at spot levels, as the Prime Minister has promised, as the Finance Minister has promised that we would have a more reformist budget and not a populist budget. Coming to Euro, we had a lot of downside for the Euro on Friday. This was mainly because we had the LTRO repayment data coming out, which came in at $61.1 billion, which was almost half of what was expected by the markets, and due to this we had a fall below 1.32 levels for the Euro USD. Again, there is a lot of uncertainty in the Eurozone based on the Italian elections. Out of the three candidates, if two of them are against austerity measures, so if these two, any one of these two candidates are selected, then it would be a major negative for the Euro USD and the Euro overall against all currency pairs. Currently, we recommend a sell in Euro INR below 71.25 in the Feb contract. Coming to pound, again on the UK front, we had a rating cut which was expected because of the continuous streak of negative data that we had coming up. But yes, from here in we saw a gap down today of around 1 rupee in the GBP INR. But yes, the downside is not expected to remain constant at current levels. We could see short-term rebounds or covering of some losses for the pound against the Indian rupee, and overall we would advise all investors to sell on this rise. Coming to Japanese yen, there were some rumors about the new Bank of Japan governor being elected today, and based on these rumors, we had the Japanese yen fall a lot against the US dollar. Similarly, against the Indian rupee, we had the Japanese yen open up around a rupee down. But as these rumors cease to exist or ease off from the market, we could again see the Japanese yen covering some of the losses that it has posted today. Positionally, we recommend a sell in the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee below 57.55 in the February contract. Thank you.